Delhi, a city that encompasses time. Dotted with monuments which remind us of our past, the city is constantly on the move. It's home to nearly 17 million people that seek a bright future. But this hope comes at a price. Delhi generates over 10,000 tons of municipal solid waste per day, and what we do with it is just push it out of sight.
East Delhi Municipal Corporation is one of the most thickly populated area of National Capital Territory of Delhi, and we generate about 3,000 metric tons of garbage daily. It goes to SLF site Ghazipur. This site has saturated long back in 2002, but because Delhi being constrained for land, we do not have any option but to send our garbage there. There is an initiative taken by EDMC wherein with the private sector cooperation, we have set up an garbage to energy conversion plant at Ghazipur with the help of ILFS Environment.
The waste to energy plant at Ghazipur is a path-breaking initiative that provides a scientific solution to address the dumping of waste at Ghazipur. The plant has been set up by IL&FS Environment on a public-private partnership framework for the East Delhi Municipal Corporation. The waste-to-energy plant has the capability to process 2,000 tons per day and generate 12 megawatts of green power to address East Delhi's growing waste.
This waste-to-energy plant at Ghazipur is India's first showcase plant which is Euro compliant and having 7-stage pre-processing facility.
The municipal solid waste is delivered at the plant site by East Delhi Municipal Corporation trucks. The plant has an elaborate 7-stage pre-processing facility that prepares the waste to ensure a high calorific value for the refuse-derived fuel or RDF. The RDF has a calorific value of over 3,000 kilocalories per kg, thereby eliminating the need for any supplementary fuel. The state-of-the-art boiler is designed for combustion of 550 tons per day of RDF at a furnace temperature of 1100 degrees centigrade, thus eliminating carcinogenic dioxins and furans. The flue gas generated from the combustion of RDF is passed through the real-time gas cleaning system, comprising semi-wet reactor and bag filter. Clean gases that are Euronorm compliant are discharged through the chimney. The plant has established high standards of transparency by providing real-time data on emissions, which are shared at site and online. The main steam generated from the boiler is supplied to the steam turbine to generate 12 megawatts of power at 11 kV. A part of the generated power is consumed in-house as captive consumption, and the balance power is exported to DTL 220 by 66 kV Ghazipur substation.
Delhi government is committed to promote renewable sources of energy. The Ghazipur plant is another step in that direction, as it will not only treat solid municipal waste but also generate energy.
Over the years, Ghazipur has become synonymous with incompatible land use. The area houses 80% of Delhi's meat trade, 70% of poultry trade, and 95% of fish and flour trade. 7% of Delhi's milk supply is being supplied from the dairy farms located here. The catchment has become a vortex of high environmental risk. To address social and environmental concerns of the project, IL&FS supports an initiative, Gulmeher. It aims to provide alternate livelihoods for rag-picking families, in addition to providing jobs at the plant. Gulmeher also assists with functional literacy and financial inclusion.
हमारे यहाँ पे जीरो बैलेंस के अकाउंट खोले गए हैं। यहाँ जितने भी एरिया हैं गाज़ीपुर और इसके आसपास के एरिया, ये टोटल में आके हमने 2200 लगभग अकाउंट यहाँ खोले हैं।
These efforts have transformed the lives of the community and provides a replicable model for rehabilitating rag pickers across dump sites in the country.
With the completion of the Ghazipur Waste to Energy project, ILNFS Environment has successfully implemented an integrated solid waste management solution for Delhi's municipal solid waste, which also includes a composting facility at Okhla and construction and demolition waste management facilities at Burari and Shastri Park.
ILNFS Environment manages the compost plant at Okhla. 200 metric tons of municipal solid waste is processed at the plant daily. The aerobic composting plant enjoys the unique distinction of being the first municipal composting plant in the world to be issued carbon credits. The waste is treated on covered windrows and then undergoes further mechanical sieving to give us high-quality organic manure. This compost is sold for enhancing soil fertility for agriculture and to homes for kitchen gardening at over 350 mother dairy outlets. In a pioneering initiative of ILNFS Environment at Burari in North Delhi, 2,000 tons per day of construction and demolition waste is recycled to recover construction-grade materials. The process primarily involves segregation, grinding, and washing with recycled water. This effort has substantially reduced the circulation of particulate matter in our atmosphere and is a significant step in reducing the air pollution levels in Delhi. Our value-added line includes concrete making and a range of precast products such as pavers, tiles and curbstones.
We at ILNFS Environment are confident that we can take the integrated waste management model that we have established in Delhi to all our urban cities and take forward the Smart City and Swachh Bharat initiative.